What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, this is Friday market wrap up, and hey, real quick, forgive the appearance, okay? I'm in my garage. It's a mess inside my house, man. My kids are going nuts. They're having a good time. They're doing a lot of crazy stuff, so I need to find a quiet place, and so guess what? The garage is it. So forgive me for that, but I wanted to give you guys a real face with the trades that you guys have been rocking and killing it with all week. But what I need you to do right now is I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, okay? I need you guys to come along with us on this journey, man. Be part of the team, all right? We are a group of like-minded individuals who have a passion for investing, okay? And we want to grow, share, and learn together, man. I told you guys from the very get-go, okay? The end goal is always to be better prepared today than we were yesterday, man. And we are killing it, dude. People asking questions, everyone's making some money, we're growing knowledge, and we're building rapport, man. And that's what it's all about. So, as always, if that sounds good and you want to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me, and let's go to war together. TWR wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. You are responsible for every decision you make within the stock market. Have fun, use caution, but always, always, always go to war. All right, and if you haven't heard it by now, man, the Discord, the TWR Discord is live, man. Today, we are 2 weeks old, and man, we hit the ground running, okay? And that's big thanks to a lot of you guys that have been loyal and coming with us from the very get-go, and you guys are telling your friends, man, we're starting to make a name for ourselves. Killer plays, killer people, just a killer server in general, man. I put my server up against any of the big-time servers out there, anywhere, and I think you guys should check it out. The link right there, that's a good link. Drop that in and come over there and check us out. All right, and you guys know how we rock, man. Let's get into it right now and see how the market closed with the buzz report. What's hot and what's not with the stock market, and what kind of things can we see possibly giving us indications for moves next week. All right, here's how your markets closed, man. Green across the board. And as you guys all know, we had a great, huge rally, okay? And we got the 10-year bond yield kind of sitting at a similar level where it's been at. So we're definitely going in the right direction. And this market that we closed on Friday was something that we desperately needed, man. All right, your market movers and shakers, CCXI, BBIG, all right? Flush with tons of volume this entire week, okay? We got Ford, that definitely has a place on our radar. Top gainers, LMFA, that's a diversity stock we've been talking about for past weeks. We saw some movement in that, so maybe some of the diversity stocks next week we'll see a jump, okay? Top losers, DCT, CTT, and Lucid, okay? So definitely have an eye on Lucid, because Lucid's one of those stocks that it definitely will go down and it will see sharp bursts up and it'll come back down, okay? So winners and losers, market movers of today, and definitely give us an idea of maybe stuff to watch for next week. All right, top news. Supply chains inflations overshadow vaccine debt woes. Wall Street banks set to profit again when the Feds withdraw pandemic stimulus. Evergrande CEO in Hong Kong for restructuring asset sales talks. U.S. lawmakers blame Boeing leaders for culture that led to crashes. And rising prices flatter U.S. retail. All right, let's go over our stock of the week recap. Okay, remember our stock of the week is CCXI, okay? Remember, this was a huge run-up, and let's see how it performed this week and see if we got any inklings of what it might do next week. All right, guys, and just like we talked about when we covered this on Sunday, okay, a little too much too soon, okay? So it definitely had a pullback, and we started seeing it down there at that $34 range from its high of $42.16. Now, it didn't come down quite as much as I figured it would, okay? I was thinking it would be more closer to like $30, but definitely it's on a downtrend, and this right now, I would not recommend buying in with anything on a bullish sentiment, okay? If you can get in with some puts or with some shorting, things of that nature, then possibly would consider it, but definitely I would not get into it, the position at this price range for a long position. All right, guys, and you already know, man, this is the reason why you guys are looking at this video, because we had a killer week this week. Any of y'all that rock with me know that we had, I think, at least 6 monster plays that made people bank, okay? And the discords and the social medias were just going on fire, man. Everyone was making money with the plays that TWR was putting out there, man. We're doing something right, and we're getting it out to the people, man, so that you guys can make informed decisions and make money and grow your knowledge base. So let's go over the alerts and talk about what we did this entire week, all right? All right, team, and here it is, man. From October 11th to October 15th, we got into 17 total trays. We're currently swinging 4 of them, which means we bought and sold 13 trades this week. 10 of those were winners, 3 of those were losers, so we got a win rate of 77%. Now you can pause this, blow it up, and see where exactly I got into the trade and where I pulled the trigger and got out at. So it's all right there. Man, we did a fantastic job, and there was quite a few people that made even more money on some of these plays than I did because they stayed in a little bit longer. But listen, man, everyone's risk tolerance is a little bit different. As long as you're making money, everything is good. So first up is GS, Goldman Sachs, man. Goldman Sachs did a killer day today, and I want to explain my charts for even new guys that are following me for, recently and everything. So when you see the red line, that's a level of support that I like to see, okay? Has some heavy consolidation, and it's a lines of strong support, okay? I usually like things to hit about 3 or 4 times. Blue line at the top, that's going to be our resistance, all right? And the purple ones, those are just important lines of levels where we have a lot of resistance points inside of those larger support and resistance points. So I do see GS going up. I think we're going to head towards $409. I wouldn't be surprised to see 410. So I'm bullish coming in next week on GS. Here we go, got Disney, one of my favorite stocks, man. Disney was a monster as well today. I do see this going up next week. I mean, look at that needle today, okay? We were all the way almost to 179 and down at the 174 level. So I think that we're going to hit 180 next week. I think that our contracts that we're in are going to do fairly well, and I'm definitely looking forward to making a killer on this trade next week. Apple, one of my favorite trades, man. Apple doesn't take much to move the needle on specifically our contracts that we're in, okay? And I got to ask a question, why do I pick my price targets the way they're at? Well, this contract closed at $50, right? Okay, I looked at the Greeks. Greeks were 0.25. If we move up just $1 on Apple come next week when the market opens, okay, we're going to hit our premium point of 0.75 or $75 per contract, which is our price target. If we move anything more, then that's just more money on top of that, okay? I do think we're going to see it. I think we're going to go edge up towards the 146, and so I feel confident with this trade moving in the next week. That is a bullish move. And Nike, man. Nike, I'm liking what I'm seeing here in Nike, okay? We got a little inside bar right there, and I do think that we're going to see Nike edge up towards $160 in the next few days when the market opens next week. I like Nike as one of my retail plays. I also like this way that we did. We kind of got this V-shaped reversal right here, and I think we're on the next uptrend. So definitely patience is needed with this particular trade. It's highly volatile, likes to spike and dip at the bell in more early morning volatility, but I think that we're going to be seeing 160, if not a little bit more, and I think our contract will do fairly well. And listen, guys, true to my word, man, you are only as strong as the team that you go to war with, man. And there's some other great servers out there that I'm rocking over there. You might see me posting some alerts, posting some info and things of that nature. So let's take a look at a couple of them. So when you get an opportunity, if you're not on it already, man, check out Dedicated Investors. My boy Brendan's over there, man. Crazy Machete doing their thing, man. We got a good working relationship. We're networking. We bounce ideas off of each other, man. I'm over there posting option trades. Man, take a look at Dedicated Investors. They are truly one of the good ones out there that are wanting to do the same thing TWR is. Grow, share, and learn together with like-minded investors. And I'm rocking with the man, Chris saying, now, he's a real big personality, man. There's a lot of people that throw shade his way. But, man, the man's been good to me, man. I asked him for a job interview. I said, hey, let me post some alerts in here, grow my brand. He said, hey, we put it on a trial. After 1 week, he saw what I was about. And he said, hey, why don't you come do this over here for us? And I said, bet, man. Appreciate it. You guys have shown me love. You helped me grow my brand, and I'm doing the same thing right here, man. I'm giving you guys love. So if you guys haven't checked these people out, man, go check out the Chris Sane Discord. Patreon links right there. And before we end, man, let's go ahead and highlight our TWR server, man. Truly something for everybody, okay? We got tons of resources for free members. Bunch of resources, free daily updates, free trade ideas, chat rooms, testimonials. We got even free trade analysts, and then the real money's made right here. This is the premium stuff, okay? We got tons of analysts posting things all the time. We got your own private chat lounges. We got all these real-time alerts, charts, news feeds. We got training videos, resources, learning individual training center. And listen, I could talk this up all day, but you guys don't want to hear about that, man. You guys want to get to your weekend. I want you guys to get to your weekend. But definitely, man, come check us out, man. Come join the family. Come join the journey and be part of the team. And that's the video, guys. Listen, here at Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like it's a war zone. The stocks and the sectors, those are our battles, and we're doing it together as a team, man. Attack, conquer, and destroy. And the main goal, and I tell you guys this all the time, and I truly mean it, is to be better traders today than we were yesterday. And we do that through a genuine community of like-minded investors that want to grow, share, and learn together. If that sounds good and you want to rock with us, I say come on, man. And if you're ready, follow me. Let's go to war.